Quadrilaterals. These topics include, but are not limited to,
the many types of quadrilaterals.
What does classify quadrilaterals?
The world we never know.
And how to calculate the perimeter and interior, hiya, and exterior, hiya, angles.
Plus you will get to try a memory and perimeter test. In the end, with quadrilaterals, we will teach you.
And in the end, we have a special feature-length short film in which the quest for Phi, the golden ratio, and the Quad Squad fight off the evil polygon. We hope you enjoy! Yo, Professor Rombo and the Hizel. I'll be teaching you the art of the rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral with 4 sides. They're also close figures. I think this is a rhombus. That's not a rhombus! This is a rhombus.
I know you might be thinking this is our school's parking lot, but it's not. It's the street, so deal with it.
Stop right there! I need to ask you a very important question. What is a rhombus? I can't take the pressure. Is it like a pizza with like cheese and sauce? It could be. But tell me, sir, is it smooth? I want a smoothie! Yeah!
Celebrate good times, come on!
I want a smoothie!
Celebrate good times, come on!
Hello, I am Professor Parallel. I will be teaching you the topic of parallelograms. I think I'm speaking too softly. Is it okay if I'm doing that? Okay.
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, sorry. Parallelograms have 2 pairs of parallel sides. One on this axis and one on this axis. And in order to calculate perimeter, you must add up all the sides of the shape you're trying to calculate. So, thank you for tuning in. Goodbye. Hello, I am Professor Rector from before. As you know, I had a little encounter with a snake, so that is why I have no left eye. I am here to discuss the topic of rectangles. Rectangles are just like parallelograms.
Just like you.
Some rocks are in the shapes of rectangles, like this one. Whoa. They have 4 congruent angles, each measuring 90 degrees, and 2 parallel sides. 90-degree angles are perfect corners that go straight down and straight across like this picture here.
Ah!
In the future, rectangles are more apt to appear more often because of their shape and storage capability. Who knows? Maybe someday everything will be rectangles.
Ah!
Good day, I am Professor Squaw, and I will be covering the topic of squares. Squares have all congruent sides and angles that all measure up to exactly 90 degrees.
Now it's time for the collision!
Real cooking show with Professor Recta and Professor Rombo. Woo!
Yay.
Today, Professor Rombo, what are we cooking with over here?
Peaches and berries special K bar. That's because it's a rectangle with 90 degrees on every corner and 90 calories.
It's great. It's funny how that coincidence appears in a cooking show.
Yes.
Anyway, what are we cooking over here, Professor Recta?
We're having honey graham crackers that are squares. Squares have 4 congruent sides and 4 congruent angles that measure 90 degrees.
Well,
They're
that's
also
great.
very tasty.
Yes, they are. Okay, so let's open up those graham crackers and get started.
Wah! Whoops.
There go the crackers.
Hold on, folks.
Boo.
I will put these graham crackers into the oven.
Okay, Professor Rambo, let's put in your part. Or what we have left of it. Snacker. Delicious. That's so appetizing.
Yum.
And now to top it off,
All right, to top it all off, we have some bay leaves, some basil, some oregano, some parsley, some thyme. Just let me get this off the sprig. There we go. Okay, pressure. Okay, now the last ingredient, poison ivy.
For flavor. Now it's time to take a bite. Hang on, let me see how this tries. The cameraman wants to try it for a little. Oh, hey, what you put in this, by the way?
Some poison ivy.
Poison ivy. You say what? Oh! After the explosion.
my leg! My leg! Go!
I just came out of the water for my evening dip. Oh, okay. I'm the coolest of the professors, but sadly I'm the most clumsy, so you know. I'm here to discuss the topic of the trapezoid. Trapezoids have one pair of parallel sides, and they look kind of like the Pizza Hut logo. Pretty cool, I think. And in order to calculate the area of the trapezoid, you have to add the top of the base, the bottom of the base, and then the height of the trapezoid. Multiply that by the two, add it together. That's how you get the area. And in order to calculate perimeter, you know, you have to add up all the sides of the quadrilateral as the same you would do with any other shape, no matter how big it might be. So, thank you for listening, and that was my report on trapezoids. I hope you enjoyed. Hello, Professor Trappa here again. I just wanted to show you an example of what a trapezoid really looks like, so...
We're all in this together.
Whoa, I hope you go jump in a lake or something, I know, right? Wow, I guess you really did jump in a lake. Okay. Well, anyway, I just wanted to show you an example of a trapezoid. So, here it is.